Are you running Google Ads campaign for your client and you want to get some ideas for your new campaign, whether you are running display ads, whether you are running YouTube ads, or whether you want to run search ads. So for that, we can take benefit of Google's Ads Transparency Center. This is a free tool by Google, which you can use to spy on your competition. You can use this tool to check ads for any advertiser who is running ads on Google. So for example, I can see ads for specific date range. I can see ad for specific countries, or I can see ad for specific platforms, or I can choose all platforms here. So let's say I want to see what kind of ads Nike is running. So let me search Nike. And I can see Nike, multiple names here, Nike US, Nike United Kingdom, then Nike Japan. So let's say I want to see what kind of ads Nike is running in UK. Let me click on that. So we have chosen image filter. Let me disable that. So now I have selected all formats. So we can see Nike is running 53 ads here, and most of them seems only video ads. It is taking some time to load the videos like that. So let's check similar way what kind of ads Adidas is running. So I can see Adidas America, they are running 10,000 ads in USA. So we can see all the ads, like I can see search ads, I can see image ads, and we can also see the video ads. And it is also showing the number, how many ads are there, like that. So this is really powerful tool to get some ideas. For example, we can use this tool to get the ideas, the inspiration for titles, descriptions. For example, I can see multiple ad variations here. What kind of ad description they are using, we can see also see that. So this is really powerful tool to get some ideas and to steal some good ads from your competition. So that's how you can use Google Ads Transparency Center to run better ads. Thank you.